Cute. Hi, cute.
Do you like Ranveer's look in Padmavati?
Love it. I think he's looking hot and sexy.
Want to see you and Arjun as a real life married couple? What do you think?
Hi, this is Parineeti Chopra and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
All right, this is Abhipal. I don't know, the name is not there. It's cute Abhipal.
Cute. Hi, cute.
Do you like Ranveer's look in Padmavati?
Love it. Love it. I think Ranveer is looking sexy. Actually, आप लोगों के देखने से बहुत पहले मैंने देख ली थी. काफी महीने पहले जब वो शूट कर रहा था तो उसने अपने फोन पे फोटो दिखाई थी एंड उसी टाइम मुझे शौक लगा था. एंड आई थिंक ही इज लुकिंग हॉट एंड सेक्सी.
Okay, all right. This is Kanisha Khurana, who is the actor or actress from the younger generation with whom you are very competitive.
ओ competitive? No, not at all. किसी के साथ नहीं. किसी के साथ. एंड ये मेरा जेन्युइन मतलब अगर कोई भी मुझे जानता है वो उनको पता होगा मैं सच बोल रही हूँ.
All right, this is Rosa from Armenia. If not an actor, what would you be?
Investment banker.
That was quick. She's a MBA. All right, this is Raja Zain. Do any of Pari's next projects include a female-centric film? Raja Zain from Rawalpindi, Pakistan.
You know, female-centric film क्या होती है?
You've done a few in the.
I've done films in which the female characters have been really, really strong,
Right.
but there's always been a couple. So I don't know the meaning of the word female-centric films. Do you mean that the female has a strong role? Then, I mean, even in Golmaal, Tabu Ma'am and I have very strong roles. So
Absolutely.
you can't really differentiate and say, oh, it's a female-centric film or a woman-oriented film. I don't understand those terms.
Okay, this is Adil from Ahmedabad. Best moment while shooting Golmaal again?
The day I signed it.
Okay.
Because while shooting it, every single day was a party. Every single day there was something new happening.
This is very interesting. Hiba from Montreal. How are you able to control your laughter around those crazy characters and keep a serious expression?
It's not easy. In fact, पहले 3-4 दिन मुझे बहुत हंसी आती थी क्योंकि जब पहला टेक होता था और ये सब पागलपन करने लगते थे मेरे आंखों में आंसू जाते and I had to stop it like that. And रोहित सर को हमेशा कट करना पड़ता था. But after a few days I had to learn कि मैं रिहर्सल में जितनी हंसी निकालनी है निकाल लो and फिर टेक में don't mess it up.
Okay.
Good practice.
This is Swasti Shukla from Kolkata. What is your best memory of Golmaal shoot?
I think the last day was my favorite memory क्योंकि everybody was there, everybody was feeling a little emotional कि film end हो गई है and we were shooting Ooty and the whole cast, the entire crew, dancers, everybody was there. We were shooting Neend Churai.
जी.
So it was a great day and we felt really connected to each other.
All right, this is by Veeds Swasti. When are you singing next? Can't wait to hear your magical voice again.
Very soon. I'm working on it. It's taking a little time because I'm really tied up and I'm
Working on a
not getting
single or
time.
something?
I'm working on a song, let's say.
Okay.
Duet with Faridoon. You never know.
No. Let's stick to Parineeti.
See, rejecting me outright.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. This is Sanjay Rana. Any pranks Ajay Devgan played on you or others while making of the movie, and what are your upcoming projects?
प्रैंक्स तो बहुत सारे थे. देयर वर डेज जब रोहित सर मुझे बोलते थे कि आपका शॉट है कि आप बैक टू कैमरा हो तो आप घूम जाओ और मैं घूम के खड़ी रहती थी और 5 मिनट बाद मैं वापस घूम के देखती थी और पूरा क्रू निकल चुका है और मैं अकेली सेट पे खड़ी हूँ. ही इज़ डन थिंग्स लाइक दिस मैनी टाइम्स. अजय सर ने एक पटाखा लिया और श्रेयस के कान के बिल्कुल पीछे उसको फोड़ दिया और लाइक मेनी थिंग्स लाइक दैट. दे विल कम एंड टेल यू रॉन्ग थिंग्स जो आपको सीन में करने. तो जब एक्शन होता है आप अपने ही कोई डायलॉग बोल रहे हो एंड सब हंस रहे होते हैं.
Yeah, that we've heard. This is Vaishnavi Sharma from. This is interesting. Actually, want to see you and Arjun as a real life married couple. What do you think?
मैं शॉक में गिर चुकी हूँ. नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि हम लोग एक दूसरे को मार डालेंगे क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. नहीं अर्जुन के साथ मेरी इतनी ज़्यादा दोस्ती है. इट्स सो प्लेटोनिक एंड सो ब्यूटिफुल दैट I can't think of him in that way at all. Like our relationship is very equal. It's almost like 2 boys or 2 girls or even boy girl who are, you know, like they're just equal. We are always like trying to outdo each other and joke with each other. So it's a beautiful relationship and I want to keep it like that.
All right, this is
Don't
Vra-
get ideas into your head, please.
Okay, Vraj from Bayal, Gujarat. Apart from Saif Ali Khan, who's your favorite actor?
Ranbir. I love
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah, he knows it also. I love him.
Yeah, I think it's high time that you guys work together because that'll be something.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Vaishnavi Sharma from India once again. I love your movie Shahzade. I'm a die-hard fan of yours.
Thank you so much. Please go and watch Golmaal again.
Okay, a lot of people, a lot of Arjun Kapoor fans actually.
Arjun and my fans, what is happening with them today?
Roshni from Amritsar. How do you deal with haters?
I shut them out. I ignore them because there used to be a time I used to get very affected by them and I used to sit and think, am I doing anything wrong? But now I've realized that when people don't matter, they just don't matter. You have to concentrate on the people and the things that you love and you are happy with.
Absolutely.
And when it's somebody who you don't matter, just cut him out.
Okay. This is Abhishek from Kolkata. Pari, you are superb and beautiful in Golmaal. Can we see you in any rom-com movie now?
Yes, hopefully next year. I'm still planning the next few films, so hopefully next year.
Riona from Durban, South Africa.
Riona Parilicious.
You
Hi,
like-
Riona.
Parilicious, yeah.
I know
This is-
Riona.
Okay, hi Pari Pai. Every story has a life lesson. What lesson have you taken out of Golmaal again?
Oh wow. Riona is a very beautiful fan of mine in Durban. She writes to me every day and I love her. The life lesson that I've learned from Golmaal, or my career lesson that I've learned from Golmaal, is to really understand my Indian audiences a little better
Yeah.
as to what they need, what they want, what they like. So I think it's brought me closer to my Indian, to India, to my audiences.
Okay, this is Mohit from Delhi. Happy birthday again. Best gift you
Thank
got
you.
on your birthday, 22nd October.
I actually am a scuba diver.
Okay.
So I got a dive computer. It's basically a watch and a dive computer that basically logs all your dives. So I've really been craving to get one for many months and I was gifted on this birthday.
You were gifted on that. Okay, and Pariniti Chopra, once again, congratulations for the wonderful success of
Thank
Golmaal
you.
again.
Thank you
We
so
hope
much.
that it continues the journey that it is on. It's already your biggest hit.
Yay.
And we hope that it crosses the 200 crore mark as well.
Yeah,
And
thank
congratulations
you,
once again.
thank
Happy
you,
birthday
thank you.
as well.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very
Now Faridoon will be sending me a gift very soon.
Okay, all right. That's all we have from Bollywood Ama. Keep on watching.